Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all the updates that I've made for 2023 to my food truck business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm going to pretty much just walk y'all through 2 or 3 different updates that I've made to the food truck business plan template. So when you do purchase it, if you do purchase it, you're going to have the most up-to-date information possible. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I've got designed for y'all. So the first thing that I've updated for 2023 for the food truck business plan template is the industry research. As we all know, one of the most important aspects of a business plan is the industry research. And when somebody's reading the business plan, they do expect up-to-date current information or current research to be included in your food truck business plan. So what I've done is I do have a subscription to IBIS World, who is a industry leader in industry research. And so what I did was I just searched food truck. I took a look at the report, summarized information, and I included it in the the food truck business plan. So like I said, y'all have the most up-to-date information possible for your food truck industry research. The second thing that I've done is I expanded the industry research. So now the industry research also includes product segmentation. For example, for the food truck industry, we've got food trucks, about 34% of them are focused on American types foods, 18% on Asian types of foods, and then we've got 14% for desserts. So that's the product segmentation. Then we've got the other that is a compilation of the rest of the industry. So this information right here, this is just expanding upon the industry research that was previously included in my food truck business plan template. So now we've got a little bit more meat in the bone for the industry research. The next thing that I did for the food truck business plan template is I've now customized the financial model to allow y'all to go ahead and make changes to the pro forma income statement for the next 12 months. So typically what you would do is you would estimate what your growth rates are going to be for the first year. Then the financial model would divide that growth rate for the year by 12, and each month the revenues would grow by that amount. Now what you can do is you can go to the profit and loss tab on the financial model, and you can change the growth rates for each month for the first year. So I've added more. I have given y'all the opportunity to customize the profit and loss statement a little bit more than what is typical in templates and financial models. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my food truck business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model that's customized for the food truck industry. And then I also do provide free business plan tutorials, and you can access those tutorials before or after you buy the business plan template, and the tutorials can be found right here. There are some limitations to all of my business plan templates, though. First, the templates are not compatible with Google Docs, and they are not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about my food truck business plan template before you buy it, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you about the template, the expectations of what's going to, and what can be produced and what can be done with the template. However, if you do purchase a template, I do not offer free phone support after the purchase. I do offer mentoring services. I'd be delighted to help you fill out the template if you like, but I do charge for those services, so just keep that in mind. All right, so with that said, if you are interested in purchasing my food truck business plan template, just go to this link right here. It is 100% downloadable after the purchase. And if you don't want to mess with templates, you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan, or you just want a professional to do your pro forma income statements, for your financial projections, check out my prices page right here. I do offer custom business plan writing services. Like I said, just check out my link right here, or give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and we can have a discussion as to how I can write some custom business plan for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.